Here's Laura trying to get out because she thinks that she's on top of the world and this is going into 3 feet of snow. Here we go. All right, and look at those wheels turning. Oh, go get him, big girl. You got it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, let's see. She's going in reverse now. Oh, no, now she's stuck. Oh, wow. Now her whole driveway's fucked up. No. Come on, see if you can go forward now. Yeah, there you go. Wait, here we go. Matt. I'm not even gonna respond. Oh yeah, there you go. Go back and forth. There you go. Try again. Oh wow. Look at this skidding. Oh, I can do it, Dad. I can do it, Matt. I can do it. Oh, what's wrong? It must be the tires. Oh, maybe I'm just gonna... Yeah. Here we go. Let me see if I can get to turn from another direction. Oh, yeah. Well, good try. When are you gonna turn it around and come back? Now you've blocked the driveway. Okay. Yeah, step on the gas faster. That'll make it go better. Yeah. Go in reverse a little bit more into 5 feet of snow. Why don't we get it in the middle of the... Why don't we push ourselves to get it right in the middle of the street, and then no plow can come. Now I gotta stop this.